So we need the car seat out now for hospital. Let me sit down.
Sit down, my love.
Chima, sit on this one. Wow.
It's not heavy, it's so light.
Lift it up, let me remove. Okay, no, keep the cat on there, lift it up. So beautiful. Do that. With there, let me not fall from my hand.
I'm holding it.
So we are going to the hospital with this one.
Yes.
Yes, it's for baby.
How can I say this for baby?
Yes,
Baby.
it's baby.
Do you want to go in there, Chim? Oh, Chimaka said no. He doesn't want to go in there.
No, it's for baby. Let's open that one.
Mm-hmm.
Press it. It's too hard. Wait, Jen. Jimmy, want to open it? Wait. Wow. Okay. Yes, it's for baby. How do you raise this hand? Come now.
Okay.
Raise this hand, you know.
Oh, to raise it up, yeah.
The handle, yes.
Yeah, I think you have to press the two at the same time. Chimaka, wait.
Jim, wait, you can't do it then. Okay. So I think we should do it without struggling now that we figured out how to do it.
Yeah.
So it's lightweight though.
It's really light compared to the ones I've had before. So light.
We can adjust this one, the inside as well. Wait, baby, how do we adjust this one?
Which one?
You know you can raise this thing up, you can bring it down.
Oh, okay, it's here.
Yes, button. Oh, another delivery. Amazon is here. We got another package delivered.
Let me.
Baby, you read the
Get
manual.
this.
You read it.
Let me get this one. I can see whether.
You know, she just put it and it went off that day.
Oh, look at the manual later on. Oh, wait, let's.
Oh, okay, yeah. There's button there. You won't let it move. It's not the button.
It's not the button.
Please put the button back.
I think it will be a lot easier if it's already inside the car. If it's on the car already.
We have to read the manual.
Yeah, read the manual.
So figure that one out.
We can go back to the shop.
Yeah, for just quick demonstration.
Yeah.
This manual now. Then going to the shop is a lot of work. Okay, so cute. It is gonna be lying here. Do you want to sit inside? Yes. Baby Biko, take this one please.
That's it.
Without this, they will not let you go home with your baby.
For our princess.
Without this in UK, You cannot take your baby home, so you must come to the hospital to take your baby, your wife home with a car seat. So we got it. So which other one?
The one that just delivered now.
What's inside that one? Okay, this is back up. Just keep it. Let's open all the plastic.
Okay. Then the next one. Should we open this one? Let's open this one. Mama, they just saying, come and show them. how you cry your granddaughter? That's the car seat, yeah? Mama, you just package it, hold it like this and show them.
This is nice.
You see? So this is what we're bringing our princess home with.
Yes. Yeah. So
This one is the base.
yeah.
This one is the... Okay, this is the stand. Move this one.
So you got your strap on.
I think that's the stand. Keep the stand apart for them. Let's open this one. The stroller.
That is the stroller.
Then I can careful with those things. They are heavy a little bit. But I think you did it the other way.
The other way.
Okay.
Don't need that. Nice. Chin please.
Oh. That's what this one.
Right.
1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Stroller.
Hold this thing. Let me use it. There's nothing there again.